Xposed, you bet my conform to say, I'm a baby of free sura, I remember doing toss. And you know, Nano cry, I can't take a jack of the bar, German. Yes. One was an ambassador.
What to me for who and to 224 da? No matter what you do. We are cramming Ketwa. What to me for who to do Jatada? And don't have for them who what you papa way just all the time on time. Now, Asante Doma to swimming and come on time.
Dormaahene in Chirinia Quamu. One year Bunni. To why ya water tea, a bonofonia Santa Fontamia, de Macacha, me papa Munyana Semana. A bonofonia Santin Camu. What? Fire.
Hello, hi, Xposed. The name is Ben Bruce. Baby, I will be in check a send a mouth. But don't subscribe me to my now on sa and ya akabi fair. Dormaahene starting at the end. Was starting at the end. Now, Matissa, you require Santini. I wonder if you will bend and a year at the mano. No more ya fashe. I am fast and my home. Sabe or Henny, or Hina Konya Sadie, and Casabu do one. Now we'll cut in Puntuosem. Or fast Santia Sembem. You go in your kind.
Yeah. Obiri Xposed. You bet my conform to say, I'm a baby of free sura, I remember doing toss. And you know, Nano cry, I can't. Sikaja kofino be yidi ba dwam yes won san ba so yes odru ba bia betim ka se abonofo kura hwa ya sase kura ye wo sha wana ka he yes se uyi northern region tetede na
Dormaahene mama ka bibi ncho se woni bi papa bia ye owiase a akunya ne fi so wate Ghana ba bia ye dunu ye hia nkofo mo developmental chiefs you're in here and conform better history. I don't need history. History does not put food on my table. What did I say? If the Ashantis are proud of their history, they deserve to. Because Otumfuor has made his kingdom big and strong. And it didn't start today. The Ashanti kingdom is big and strong based on sequence of events. It didn't start today. A Dormaahene ultimately for who and to 224 da. No matter what you do. We are cramming Ketwa. Ultimately for who to do Jatada. Mama can't show. We've seen the likes of you who wanted to overthrow the kingship of the Ashanti kingdom. But it didn't work. Because you may be the Ashantis or the Ashanti kingdom is based on blood. One can say spiritual. We are spiritual and can say any kingdom which is based on blood, to say Christianity, you can't pull it down. I'm telling you. You catch here or this year say, Branian Chauti, Yamfa, and new Kunyafa, Akunyani Siwa, a idea for years to come, generations, that throne will still stand. You don't even understand. Now, a historian Okatakyie said, you can't place a Ashanti king as a paramount chief because all paramount chiefs are under him.
Dinti Dormaahene kwa medika ka kire mo anya bununi me ka asemu ya monte what tete bununi asante ntam nyina Dormaahene anya bununi ne nya bununi kira dabi wonya bida me ana mpapa no efse Dormaahene ni nuane akomu hene na so ye bununi dia da na ni nuane akomu hene explain Dormaahene wanya bununi se wo ye bununi dia anka ye da na ni nuane ye agugufo aduanafo Dormaahene ye bununi dia e da na ni nuane kumawu Dormaahene ye bununi dia eda na ni nuane asomanya enti etu kwotena wo ye ni ade no se wo firi akomu no anu wotena ya baabi a ne kumase mo frɛ ne South Central e ho na obetena wone kwadwokuro mu hene kwadwokuro mu ne ye cultural center kumase cultural center Wamo ye ni ade no mo ne Dormaahene ne tewo Obiri ye bu awuo ne ba ye ne na Dormaahene tu ye ene so okotena wampam na wamunsuo a eda bono ne pam mu no okotena ti wampam no wotete ho an wa build Dorma amena ye kese eti okapa dia Dormaahene ni nchiri ni akwamu wonye bununi ti waye a wotete abonofo ni asantefo ntam ne ade maka kire me papa munya na semara abonofo mu ni asante nkamu mu ade me papa wo ebia wo pa bono nso ne so adi ntia ne asi asati we versus them na bono fo no mani di so hene nanso ono ade onye bono ni ono de won ka bono ne won ka ho kura wo ya kwamuni na Dormaahene ya kwamuni
Exactly.
Yes. Oy fra kwamu.
Oh, fire.
Wow. I make catch it.
History.
No, make sure now Dormaahene nya bununi.
Bomb history.
It one year so what to tell you.
Ghana, the highest form of kinship, paramountcy. Me pacho, time na near Kwakwaji independence, no. Now the Ashanti Kingdom was the only one not conquered by the British. We went to them to tell them, say, come and join us to form a Ghana. That's what we did. At that time, not the whole of Bonga Hafo, any Ashanti Kingdom there won under the rulership of Kofi Sikega. Unima Mekacho, Dormaahene, go and learn your history. Nansenya na ye chemuna ye nya Bonga Hafo. But the allegiance has not been what? Terminated. The whole of Ashanti, including Doma, was once the Ashanti Kingdom. We went to tell them, say, come and join us. Because here who said, Ashanti for one day, they are proud people for a good reason. They fought to where they are. It's Dormaahene. So we name history, make sure history and sa kunyani po na wote so no na se Otumfuor ase wo anko be so am Otumfuor unim ame kan show it is the way I want to me na Dormaahene kwa dem hu emronwa mo je na papa we it is all tete montem na asante ni Dormaahene to esusu ebe na nka wo montem wo ye dua ba ko unim mo je na papa we atete montem. What is it? A small king. A small chief. I thought he was an educated, enlightened man. But every time it's division, it's falsehood, storytelling. Yanko tie sikadwan said ya bai.
Boahen sikadwan ti say de be man kwaku kranum say de be man de. But Asantefo so Boahen from Kumasi to Elmina. Me ka be jiraw. Apakani, what be that?
It is almost cherish it.
And somebody's kakwa kono ba mouth. Ba mana nanti, ba ma Boahen na nanti o. Ani Boahen ma beswano. Okaja ya sam ketwa. And the body be ko ho no ba send be umu anu. Nya ba kechi ansa bere he. Nkrofo we. Mu jabe hene no ma no wo ha bebe ko aba bebe yi nanko no mu hu ena om de om ko Australia ne kwaku kra no nyina fa hye poko ba kwa chia be na be ka chia sa ha ba hu nkrofoi ba fa fam e ba mpoa no ba fa ship ba Australia be ko ba nyina no be obetimpo mo de mo ntena ho da kure yo Australia ha no ba betwa ha hia eno ti de ma om de wom ko se chefs ti ba ka je se nkrofo mba chi wa de ba Asantefo be chiri nsuo madware be nim yo be chiri be nim dware Certain on the one course a chess, who's a chess in the island. Until lawyer Berman Sansensier, Asantefo Mejaria, for the state of Ghana, and Guswa will share higher wound to me TV now. Lawyer and Obiri Boahen, your man. Prembo Conon go Shikuda, no him Abed. Prembe Quatras a chess is young woman. Prembe came back as a scholar. History, mystery. So I'm going this too, no. Sabi kafracho, Mr. Matiefo. Under no circumstances, says Obabuna Bonfia, Miss Remeka. What I say, it's like you are not a Jew, but don't man ya womo akano a Bonfia. Memu a Pamadakana Bonfia. Sir, because a permanent no fra free Levite fear. If you are not
When you Lewinia.
Lewinia, what don't say some say be kiku. Nanyina.
Abo obi hwe ho.
Onye Levite. Ebe kiku. Hwe apam no one pensuo more than about 10,000 years. Nti so ba won say wahye Levite ni ana wonye Levite ni a. Wo do so say ya ankikiwa.
Mose no abeso.
Go.
Hwe. Dormaahene. Uhu bibi da. Me a spiritual man. So I know what I'm talking about. Akwanfo po e no ma bayi. Omo to me samon yama fisoro. Uhu bi da. Bra na me kwa kire wo. Akwanfo e no ma ba. Me nka se konfa no cho. Omo to me samon yama efisoro. Ah, what is your beef? Obi na wanya na ade. O se efisoro. Wo so kwa na kwa pa biye. The Sikajwa Kofi Sikajwa is the soul of the Ashantis and the Ashantis. Dormaahene untimi emre na seda. Because moja ni etwa ye no ye ntwa wodi ani bi. Na wiase otan obi a sa na ka woni the history of Sikajwa Kofi na anka won yan kwase asema wo keka tobe no wo man for ntimi kanya asasamo nkira wo no. Just time you listen to sense. Now who say bibi na aka bibi na utimi ka bio na ka those times na ka choti those times no because you are still under the Ashanti kingdom. Bono for money Ashanti for me baako ma obi entity muntem Ghana podi ye ka me say Ghana na baako ti me ukese Ghana nya me nua prako pe I don't care where you come from na say na me say black o say ofi kolongo na me say the important is that he's a Ghanaian. Who ye Ghanaian? Na me so ye Ghanaian dia. And then you pre tribal home. Asante has been able to bring development to his kingdom. Dormaahene, what have you done? What have you? And you what have you? What have you done? They are bleeding. They can't tell you. It is time to be wise. Xposed, subscribe, share. Really, 2 months I can be manual.